Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check audience active time on Instagram. So audience active time is a feature on Instagram where you can check your audience's active time in order to boost your post, story or reels. So now let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Instagram application on your device. Once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now just at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see a profile picture icon right here. Just tap on it. Now, once you are here on your main profile, in my case, you can see that I have been using my professional account. So you need to switch to professional account first. In order to do so, just tap on three lines icon at the top right corner. Now, as I have a professional account, I'm directly led to settings and activity page. Now simply scroll down below and tap on the option of creator tools and control. Now once you are here, tap on the option of switch account type. Now various account types will appear. So as I have a professional account, I'm getting the option to switch to personal account or business account. You can tap the option of professional account once you see it, and then your account will be switched to professional account. Now let's go back to our main profile and you'll see the option of professional dashboard just at the middle of the screen. Tap on it. Now, once you come across your professional dashboard, you can see various options here. If you scroll down below, you can see other various options available. Now, over here, you can see other various activities related to your account about how much audience your account has reached. And as you can see, I do not have much followers on my account right now. I cannot see the feature of audience active time here. But if you have enough followers, you will be able to see your audience active time and then post your contents accordingly in order to boost your post. So this is it for today. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.